Dear children, today we are going to start a new lesson, chapter 13, surface areas and volume of solid figures. Surface areas and volumes of solid figures. Last year we have studied all the formulas: cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere. Once more we have to revise it. What is meant by a cuboid? It is a solid figure. We used to draw the figure like that. Its length, breadth and height are different. This one is the length of the cuboid and this one is the breadth of the cuboid and it is the height of the cuboid. Now see this one. This textbook, we can say that it is in the form of a cuboid. It has a length and this one is the breadth and this one is the height of this cuboid. It is our textbook. This textbook is in the form of a cuboid. This length, it has a length, breadth and this one is the breadth of the cuboid and it is the height of the cuboid. So we know that from here we know that its length, breadth and height it is different. So it has length, breadth and height. So first we are going to study the volume of a cuboid. Volume of any solid figure is equal to base area into height. Any regular solid figure we can find out the volume by using the formula base area into height. What is this base area? This base is in the form of a rectangle. This one is the length and it is the breadth. So base area it will come length into breadth. Into height we have to multiply, that is h. So volume of a cuboid is equal to, what is the formula? Volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. And it is a cubic unit. Cubic unit will come. Unit it will be a cubic unit. Suppose the length, breadth and height it is given there in centimeter means it will come centimeter cube. If it is given in meter means it will come meter cube. So volume always it will be in cubic only. Cubic, that's volume. Volume unit it will be cubic only, that is cubic unit it will come. Now next we are going to study the total surface area of a cuboid. How can we find out the total surface area? How many surface it has? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 surface or 6 faces. It has 6 faces. So all the faces area we have to add. That is the total surface area of a cuboid. Total surface area of a cuboid. So first to find out the area of this face. What is the area of this face? Downside already we wrote that one. That is, I told that it is in the form of a rectangle. So it will come length into breadth. Upside also it will come length into breadth. So length into breadth plus length into breadth. Length into breadth, that is downside and upside area I took. Now this face, what is the area of this face? This one is the length and it is the height. So this area it will come length into height, L into h, L into h plus by side that same it will come length into height plus this side. This is the breadth b and this one is the height. So base in breadth into height. So b into h it will come plus what is this area? That also same b into h. So downside it is length into breadth, upside it is length into breadth. This one is length into height and by side also length into height, breadth into height and this side also breadth into height. That is the total surface area. That is equal to LB plus LB, that is 2LB plus LH plus LH, 2LH plus BH plus BH, that is 2BH. Then what is the formula? 2 into LB plus LH plus BH. 2 we have taken outside. 2 is common factor. 2 into LB plus second we can write BH plus last we will write LH. A square unit. It will come a square unit. So that is the formula for finding the total surface area of a cuboid. Total surface area of a cuboid. So here we can write that first cuboid number 1 volume. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Number 2 total surface area is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Then now third one more is there, that is lateral surface area of a cuboid. Lateral surface area, what is by lateral surface area? Lateral surface area means only the side faces, 4 side faces are there, that is called the lateral surface area. The downside and upside face we will not take, only the side faces. So it will come side face, this one it is breadth into height, B into H, plus back side also it is B into H, plus this side it is this one is a breadth, this one is breadth into height, and this one also breadth into height. Front side it will come length into height, so length into height, plus back side it will come length into height. So what is answer? BH into BH, that is 2BH, plus LH into LH, that is 2LH, 2 and H we can take out common factor, 2H into B plus L, that we can write as 2 into L plus B, B plus L we will write L plus B into H we will write last. 2H into L plus B also you can write. In the textbook it is given there 2 into L plus B into H. Last year also you have studied like that. That is why I wrote like that. Lateral surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 into L plus B into H. That is the formula for finding the volume of a cuboid, total surface area of a cuboid, and lateral surface area of a cuboid. Now next one is a cube. It is in the form of a cube. Can you say that what is the difference between cuboid and a cube? Cuboid it has length, breadth and height, all it is different. But cube, its all edges are equal. Length, height, breadth, height, or whatever it may be, it has only edge. Its all edges are equal. Length is A, breadth is A, and height A. All the edges it will be A only. If you are taking one edge is equal to A, means all the edges it will come A only. So volume of a cube is equal to, what is the formula for finding the volume of a cube? Volume is equal to volume of any solid figure. I told that its formula base area into height. What is this base area? It is in the form of a square. So area of a square, what is the formula? The side square, its side is A into A, that is A square into height. What is the height? Base area into height. Base area is A square into height is A. So it will come A square into A cube cubic unit. Cubic unit. Now total surface area. Find out total surface area of a cube. What is the area? Base area I told that A square. What will come this area? A square it will come. Upside also A square. Side it is A square. This side A square. This one also A square. So total 6 faces are there. So it will come A square plus 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 A square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is equal to A square plus A square, 2A square plus A square, 3A square plus A square, 4A square, 5A square, 6A square, 6A square, a square unit. That is the total surface area of a cube. Now lateral surface area of a cube. What is the formula for finding the lateral surface area of a cube? Only side faces. I told that in case of a cuboid also. Only side faces. Area of the 4 side faces, that is called a lateral surface area. A square plus A square plus A square plus A square, it will come 4A square square unit. 4A square square unit. A square plus A square plus A square plus A square, that is 4A square square unit. That is the lateral surface area of a cube. Lateral surface area of a cube. Okay, now that formulas we can write here. Continuously I am writing that. You have to write down these formulas. Number 4, that is a volume of a cube. Volume of a cube is equal to, what is the formula? A cube. Number 5, a total surface area of a cube is equal to 6A square. Number 6, lateral surface area of a cube is equal to 4A square. Now next one is a cylinder. This is in the form of a cylinder. it is in the form of a cylinder. It has three faces. One bottom face, it is in the form of a circle. Upside one face is there, it is in the form of a circle, and a curved face also there. How can we draw this cylinder? This way we can draw a cylinder. The outside bottom part, it is in the form of a circle, so it has radius r, and it has a height of the cylinder h. This one is the height of the cylinder h. How can we find out the volume of a cylinder? Volume is equal to base area into height. What is the base area? Base is in the form of a circle, and its radius is r. Area of a circle. Area of a circle is equal to what is omega? Pi r square into height, that is h. So it will come volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h cubic unit. Now, next one is curved surface area of a cylinder. Curved surface area of a cylinder. Curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to, what is the formula? 2 pi RH square unit. 2 pi RH. Curved surface area means this area only. This area it is called a curved surface area. Curved surface. This one is the curved surface. Its area is 2 pi RH square unit. Now we will find out the total surface area. Total surface area is equal to curved surface area plus area of the base plus area of the top. Curved surface area, that is 2 pi RH plus area of the base. What is area of the base? That is pi r square plus area of the top, that is pi r square. That is equal to 2 pi RH plus pi r square plus pi r square, that is 2 pi r square. That is equal to, we can take out common factor. 2 pi r is common. 2 pi r into 2 pi r taken outside, remaining what is here? H plus 2 pi r we have taken outside, 1 r will remain there, 2 pi r into h plus r square unit. That is the formula for finding the total surface area of a cylinder. So now, cylinder, you can write it here. A cylinder 7. Volume of a cylinder is equal to, what is the formula? Pi r square h 8. Curved surface area of a cylinder, we will write CSA. Curved surface area of a cylinder, that is 2 pi RH. Now 9th one is total surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. 2 pi r into h plus r. Now next one is a cone. This one is a cone. Ice cream cup, it is in the form of a cone. And in circus and all, we can see that these jokers and all, they used to keep it as a cap. That is also in the form of a cone. So it is in the form of a cone. It has only two faces. A curved face is there, and a bottom face, it is in the form of a circle. So we can draw this way. This one is a cone. Base, it is in the form of a circle, so it has radius r, and it is the height, that is central height. Okay, this one straight height, that is h, and here also one height is there, that is called slant height, and it is denoted by the letter L. Slant height L. That is a cone. Now volume of a cone. Volume of a cone. Volume of a cylinder and volume of a cone, it is related. Volume of a cylinder, volume is equal to pi r square h, and this one is a cone. If you are taking this one, you see this radius, it is same. Radius of this cylinder and radius of this cone, it is same. And height of the cylinder and height of cone also, it is same only. If it is same, then take water in this cone and pour it here. Then we have to pour 3 times in this cylinder to fill it up. When we are pouring 3 times, it will be exactly full. It will be exactly full. So 3 times we have to pour. Then what is the volume of this cone? 3 portion of this 1/3 portion of the cylinder is the volume of a cone. 1/3 part. Then once when we are pouring water inside here, 1/3 portion it will come. Again 1/3 portion it will come. After that, third time it will be full. So 1/3 part of a cylinder is the cone. If the radius and height it is same, then only it will come. So volume of a cylinder is equal to, what is the formula? Pi r square h. Then volume of a cone is equal to, what will come answer? 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now next formula, slant height. Slant height L is equal to, what is the formula? Slant height L. This one is in the form of a right angle triangle. This one, it is in the form of a right angle triangle. This angle will be 90 degree. Using Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the slant height. Slant height, that is, this one is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. L square is equal to h square plus r square will come. L is equal to square transposing to right side, it will come square root of h square plus r square. So slant height L is equal to, what is the formula? Square root of h square plus r square. Now next one is curved surface area. Curved surface area of a cone. Curved surface area of a cone is equal to pi r L. Curved surface area of a cone is equal to pi r L. Now total surface area of a cone. Total surface area of a cone is equal to curved surface area plus area of the base. That is curved surface area pi r L plus area of the base. Base is in the form of a circle, so its formula is pi r square. Now pi r we can take out common factor, pi r into remaining what is here? L plus pi r taken outside, one r will remain there, that is pi r into L plus r, square unit. So volume 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic unit. Slant height L is equal to square root of h square plus r square unit. Curved surface area pi r L square unit will come. Total surface area pi r into L plus r square unit. So that is a cone. Now we can write it here. Cone, first formula, volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Slant height L is equal to square root of h square plus r square. Okay, sorry. Question formula number 9, 10, 11, 12. Curved surface area is equal to pi r L. 13. Total surface area of a cone is equal to pi r into L plus r. Now next one is a sphere. What is by a sphere? Football is in the form of a sphere. Football, it is a hollow sphere. Inside it is a hole. But shot put, you know that in the sports and all we use shot put. That shot put exercise, it is in the form of a sphere. So this one is a sphere. It has only one face, that is only the outer face. That is only one face. A curved surface area, a curved surface we can say, or this one, it is a total surface area, only one area here. So volume of a sphere. Volume of a sphere is equal to, what is the formula? 4 by 3 pi r cube, cubic unit. Then it has only area, so surface area we will take. Only one surface, so we will write surface area only. Volume of a sphere, that is inside how much space is there, that is the volume. Volume of a sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. And surface area is equal to, what is the formula? 4 pi r square. This is all area, total surface area. Total surface area is equal to, surface area only one face only, so it is surface area. Surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. That much only sphere. Now next one is a hemisphere. Hemisphere. What is my hemisphere? Half of a sphere. Cut it into two equal parts. One part is in the form of a hemisphere. It is called a hemisphere. Hemisphere volume. Can you say volume of a hemisphere? What is the volume of a sphere? Sphere means 4 by 3 pi r cube. So hemisphere, half means it will come 2 by 3 pi r cube. And here it will come curved surface area and total surface area. Why? Because it has two faces. One curved face is here and a bottom circular face also there. It is in the form of a circle. Two faces are there. So curved surface area and total surface area it will come in case of a hemisphere. Curved surface area is equal to this sphere total surface area. Sphere total surface area how much? 4 pi r square. So half portion we have taken out. Then half portion what will come answer? 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. Then total surface area. Total surface area is equal to curved surface area plus area of the base. Curved surface area 2 pi r square plus area of the base. Base is in the form of a circle, so it will come pi r square. 2 pi r square plus pi r square. What is answer? 3 pi r square. So that is 13. This one is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 formulas are there. Write down these all the formulas and you have to by heart these all formulas, then only we can do the exercise. So you have to by heart these all the formulas. So today only this much. We will start the exercise in the next video. Thank you so much.